Yeah, good shot.
Okay, here we are again, folks. This is a camera beneath the plane. I'm on an Airbus 380, those double-deckers with, it feels like 1,000 people, but it's only 500. Anyway, we are flying over Texas. We just left Houston, and this is what is on our monitor. And there also is actually apparently a camera somewhere in the tail. I'm not sure, but look at this, the real thing. I don't know if anything exciting is going to come up, but I think it's kind of neat to see Texas from 30,000 feet up, or whatever we are. I don't know where we are, but the route today is Houston, Texas, Frankfurt, change planes, arrive in Rome on Tuesday, June 23rd. Pretty neat technology today, right? Well, more later when some interesting things happen to come on the screen.